Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to combine Word documents into one. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's get started. So we have 3 documents and our task is to combine them into one. As you can see, each document has its own font, its own formatting, and some have pictures. The easiest way to combine files is to do it manually. First, we can create a blank Word document or use one of the current documents as the main one. This file will be a container in which we will combine all the others. Let's say this is document number 1. Go to the second document, select all the text. We can do it with the left mouse button, but I recommend using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-A. This way we will accurately highlight the entire text, then right-click on the selected text and click Copy. We return to the first document. Here we select the place where the text will be copied. Let's say at the end, click the right mouse button again and select from the 4 insert options. If we select the first option, the inserted text will fully keep its formatting, namely font, color, and so on. The second option will allow you to apply the same formatting to this fragment that is configured in the first document. The third option will insert the text as an image, which will not allow it to be edited. And the fourth option will insert only text without underscores and highlights. For example, we will select the first option and the fragment is successfully inserted with the same formatting as the first one. We do the same with the third document, select the entire text, copy it and paste it into the first document. That's how we manually combine 3 files into one. But in addition to manually combining, there is also a software method that is provided in Microsoft Word. Similarly, select one document as the main one, go to the Insert tab, then to the text group and click on the arrow in the Object button. Select text from file and find all the necessary documents that you want to insert. In this case, I have collected all the necessary files in one folder. We can combine the documents individually or all at once. I select the second and third and click Insert. And as you can see, all 3 files are combined in the first one, while keeping the formatting of the first and the edit files. All that remains is to save the first document. That's all. Now we know a little more. Thanks for watching.